So we wanted to talk about this because there's a lot of people that use Workgroups. So ShoreTel Workgroups are kind of the entry-level call center below the ShoreTel Enterprise Contact Center. So you can have agents log in and log out, and you can queue calls, and you can have supervisor views and agent views and queue views and et cetera. But the reporting has always been a little limited. And so ShoreTel's Advanced Applications Group built some pretty nice reporting, workgroup reports. So very graphical displays to see agent trends, some real-time dashboards that supervisors can use. So this is kind of an advanced suite of reporting applications, real-time and historical, around ShoreTel Workgroups. So here's just, again, these are just a list of some of the things that we can report on: agent detail, agent view, abandoned calls, etc. If you're using Workgroups, and Workgroups work great for you, but you want to dive a little bit more and get some better business analytics and reporting, this would be a great option for you. This is an example of a trend view, so a moving graph that shows calls in queue, abandoned calls. You can run in different intervals. Can be color-coded with summary data displayed on the top. Again, this is just really the idea here is just to give you an introduction to some of the reporting that's around Workgroups that ShoreTel can offer. Abandoned calls view, this can be built into the agent view, and this is where agents can actually see a list of all the abandoned calls, and they can right-click, click the call people back that might have been waiting in the workgroup agent queue or workgroup queue and then it eventually hung up. Agent detail, this is just, again, launched from the agent view. This can be basically all the most recent calls in a specific period. Active calls are in green. You can change the length of time. So here's all, again, just all these kind of reports that can be launched from the agent view that give you your agents a lot more real-time and historical visibility at a glance. Another screenshot of maybe a better graphical representation of the number of workgroup calls answered within a specific time period. So here you can see a specific workgroup order admin, and you can see the number of inbound calls that were answered by various agents in that group. Again, just more ways of displaying data to your supervisors and your agents. Another nice reporting application that shows basically how the current state of all the agents in a selected group, and it's a real-time view of agent utilization. This would be a great supervisor tool that's running on their PC that shows basically what's happening with all my agents right now. Who's on a call, who's logged out, who's in wrap-up, who's on a non-work group call. So this is, again, real-time. This is just kind of a summary slide of, hey, if I'm a work group supervisor and I've been living with very limited work group real-time reporting or non-existent real-time reporting as a supervisor, here's a whole suite of real-time reports that I can have up on my screen as far as my agent utilization, how many calls are in queue, what are my abandoned times and my hold times, all of that stuff can be displayed real-time at a glance. So a whole new world can be opened up to your workgroup supervisors. Again, if workgroups are working well for you and just the one Achilles heel is some of the business analytics, real-time and historical, then you need to talk to us about some of these applications.